Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make an Among Us account on mobile. Alright, let's begin. First, launch the Among Us app on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can get it from your App Store or Play Store. When the app opens, tap I understand to proceed. Then you'll be asked to sign in using either your Google account or Apple ID. I'm using my Apple ID here, so I'll tap Continue. You may need to verify your identity with Face ID or your password. Next, you will need to verify your age. Select your birthday, month, and year, then tap Submit and confirm by clicking Yes. Once your age is verified, tap the sign-in bubble to log into your account. Just like that, you are signed in. After signing in, the next step is to create your friend code. Tap the refresh icon to generate your unique code. This friend code allows you to invite others to play Among Us with you. Once you have your code, tap Confirm. Now, you can start playing Among Us with friends or join public games. That's how you can easily make an Among Us account on mobile. So that's basically how you can make an Among Us account on mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.